Everyone, it's Brandon Patterson, founder, CEO, and thought architect at Beyond Intelligent AI. Thank you so much for joining me today. And we're back. It's Monday. We're in the London and New York session overlap at this time. Breakouts are penthouse. That's our question here. And right now we're taking a look at gold. The shiny object of traders everywhere. And so at this particular time, we're just looking at we see a little bit of sell here on the 1 minute chart. That's where we're at, as you could see. And we're trading GCQ 2025. That's the most current futures contract for gold. There is a lot of indecision here too as well, that we're just kind of eyeing and waiting for to as well. But it looks like it's positioning itself for a sell. I'm going to try to dive right in and see if we can take advantage of some of this market here, market share. Trying to give myself a little breathing room, obviously. Maybe we'll go on with 5 contracts. Let's see here. Let's do about maybe 160. We're going to see if we can get a little bit of juice here in the trade. What a feel. So why am I going in for a sale? It's a double bearish macro-micro confirmed environment. Macro-micro trends are landing. We're getting CBD falling. It's aggressive selling. Bearish 1 of 11. Would prefer a stronger ATR. NASDAQ is bearish. Overall, we're in a bearish environment. Will we reach our target profit? Probably not, but it's nice to put in there. Summer months are a little bit kind of, low. You got to take what you can take. But we're in profit, so that's what matters most. And we're just tracking down too as well. I was looking at gold a little bit earlier and on some of the higher time frames, and I was seeing that it was kind of going down too as well. Boom. There you go. So that we had 400 just a moment ago, 200. So there is a bit of resistance. Could be some orders being filled. That's contributing to that resistance too as well at that level. But we are continuing to track downwards too as well. I don't know about you, but if you could have an extra $400 from like less than 3 minutes, that'd be awesome. Obviously, I'm not in it for just $400, but if that's all you wanted, then you're one and done. You know what I mean? 3 minutes of your time, once to make $400 minus commissions, it's not bad. It's not a bad deal. And you're doing that every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and you're just compounding, then, bro, literally you're changing the game. You're getting more of your time back, too as well, where you don't have to really be paper pushing for anyone else. You get to, live life on your own terms. And that's what freedom is all about. That's what liberty. We talk about this word freedom and liberty so much in the United States. But true freedom and liberty is when you get more of your time back. So that's what this is all about. So we do have some resistance here, kind of peeking downwards into the system here. But you notice that it's really having a hard time wanting to breach this level down here. And there's a bit of resistance. And always, if you're wrong, it's never a bad idea to reverse your position and go in the opposite direction if you're wrong. And I've had to do that, a few times. Sometimes you think like, oh man, I know for sure it's going in this direction, and then boom, the market throws you a curveball, and you're like, oh, come on, man. It's one of those things that happens. in trading, but we pushed through it nonetheless. So structure is forming, bias is bearish, say tactical, mild impulsive. Let's have some read, let's IQ. So the system is constantly learning and telling you exactly what's happening in real time, so that way you can make the best decisions for yourself. And we're starting to see that there's a little bit of a pushback here onto as well, but it just dropped. Okay, so it's not enough yet to overcome this bearish downtrend that we're looking at. I'm just being cautious and patient with it. That's what it's all about. Speaking of which, at this point, I want to show you a little bit more about our correlation mode. I'm going to kind of dive in there. We're at $400, by the way. So I'm looking at that 450, 600. Oh, that's awesome. Okay. $600. That's really good. All right. So this is our correlation mode down here. And this is where GC1 DXY is over here in manual mode. But if you wanted to, or Copilot Plus, you could just come over here, click currency strength meter, and you could cycle through all of the different tickers onto as well. So as soon as you get access to this, you're going to be able to just modify the system in your own unique way. I'm going to have to just focus on my trade for just a moment, if you don't mind. And I'm going to go ahead and try to grab some of this profit down here. Oh, we're at 1,000. Let's go. Perfect. Yeah, I'm greedy, so I want to take as much as I can. $13.50. Yes, sir. Woo! So I'm talking about. You see this? We held on to our position. This is awesome. $1,400. Let's go. Okay. If it wits me out, it wits me out. At this point, it's okay. Not the end of the world. But look it. We're doing well. Oh, yes. 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 That's what I'm talking about. Woo! You see this? Do you see it? You see what I'm talking about? I'm not making it up. Okay, I'm out. I don't need more than that. 2050. 2050 and I put a clock on my iPad. And literally I made 2050 in less than 10 minutes. $2,050 in less than 10 minutes. This is why I'm telling you, when you have the right tools on board and you're looking at everything, let's just do a quick recap. What was I looking at? When I got in, I was looking at my ACPD sell label. I was looking at the trend. I was identifying the trend. I saw the rejection to go higher. So the trend led downward. I was looking at aggressive selling. You heard me call it out. CBD trend falling. Aggressive selling. I was looking at Synapse SIQ. The momentum was to the downtrend. Flow line oscillator. That's looking at multiple things, including accumulation distribution. Was looking downward, right? We were, we were looking at our live voice that's interpreting what the system is learning in the background with our artificial intelligence system. We're looking at every single thing. We have bearish 411. I should have stayed in. That's I got out here, still going down here. I could have made more money. And I did that in less than 10 minutes. And I wanted this video to only be a maximum of 15 minutes. So here's what I want to say. August 11, 2025, we are going to be releasing Copilot Plus to the world. Okay. I want you to sign up for the AI trading revolution, because this is what this is. This is the future of trading. You can't find this on TradingView. I've looked high and low, and if it does exist, then it's private and it's not being shown or publicized. But at this particular point in time, this is the future of trading. And I want you to get on board. I want you to be one of the first movers. Go to beyondintelligenceai.com. Don't do it tomorrow. Do it now. Just go to the website right now. Join the wait list. It's not a lot of information to fill out. It's like your name and your email, right? Sign up for the wait list. If you're interested in beta testing it, I'm only going to allow for 10 people. Scroll down to the bottom of the web page. Click on the info email. Tell me a little bit about yourself. Provide 2 social accounts for social proof. So like it could be X and Instagram, or it could be Instagram and TikTok, or it could be TikTok and your LinkedIn. I don't care. Just 2. So I can verify that you're a real human being. And then we'll let you beta test it for like 7 days, 7 or 10 days. Okay. Just so you can, provide some genuine feedback, your review of what you think about the system. Okay. Tell your friends, family, any traders you know. We are going live August 11th, 2025. And this is what I am talking about. This is why I believe Copilot Plus is going to change the game for traders everywhere around the world. All non-professional traders, retail traders, people who have been lost, swept under the rug, had bad tools. This is your time to be able to get your edge with Copilot Plus here at Beyond Intelligence AI. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for listening. To me too as well. And don't forget to trade Beyond IQ. What a day! Over $2,000. Let's go! See you next time. Take care.